Good morning, students. Welcome back to your math class. Yes, yesterday we discussed all the doubts we had in the previous chapter, and I'm very happy that you all were very good. You asked your problem, you solved your problems, and you performed very well. So this is really good. You are doing practice on daily basis, and good. I'm happy. Okay. So today we have to start a new chapter. Name of the chapter is exponents. Chapter 5, exponents. This is something new for you, a new concept. I'll explain what is this. If I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, what is the meaning of this? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. I should also have a simplified way of writing this, and that is 2 power 4. 2 power 4. If I am writing 5 square, means 5 into 5. If I am writing 6 cube, means 6 into 6 into 6. 4 power 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 9 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Means the number of powers we are having, जितना power होगा, we have to multiply base that many times. It is having 2, I multiplied 5 by 2, 5 into 5, not 5 by 2, 5 into 5, 5 2 times. 6 power 3, it means 6, 6, 6. I multiply 6 by 6 by 6, 3 times. 4 power 4, means 4 will be multiplied to itself 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 9 power 6. 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this process, this everything is called exponents. Means powers. Okay. When I am writing 2 power 4. When I am writing 2 power 4. Then 4 is power and 2 is base. When I am writing 5 cube, then 5 is base and 3 is power. Clear? What is base and what is power and how to solve it? I told you just now, 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2. Now I got 16. 5 power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 into 5. 125. Is it okay? Base and exponents. And it is not necessary that it happens only in positive number. It happens, we can do it in, use it in minus numbers also. Negative integers also. If I will write minus 3 power 4. What does it mean? Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. So how to solve it? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. I got plus, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So I got my answer 81. And what is the base here? This is the base, minus 3 and 4 is the power. Okay. If we are having minus, then it's okay. We could have a positive. It's okay. Minus, it's okay. But you should also remember that powers can also be in minus. Powers can also be in minus. Like base is in minus, they are integers. But powers can also be in negative. Minus 3, 2 means minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 की power 3, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. but we could also have 2 power minus 3, 4 power minus 3, 3 power minus 3. Powers can also be in minus. When they are in minus, it means we have to do reciprocal of the base. It means 1 upon 2 power 3, 1 upon 4 power 3, 1 upon 3 power 3. So when we were having powers in minus, it means except that minus, if I will remove that, I have to write everything in reciprocal. 2 is in reciprocal, 2 was here numerator, it has become denominator with the power 3. 4, 4 power 3, 3 minus 3 is 1 upon 3 power 3. Am I clear? Here base was in minus. So minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus into minus, minus 27. So have you noticed something interesting in this pattern? Have you noticed something? Okay, I'll do one more. 2 power 5 minus 2 power 5 and minus 2 power 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will solve it. 2 into 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I got here 32. And minus into plus, minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, plus, minus. I got minus 32. And here I got 2 2s are 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. And minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. Now look here, have you noticed something? I am giving you 1 minute to notice. I have put a rule here. We could set a rule here. Check it continuously and identify the rule. Fast. You can do it. Yes, I'll tell you. See, when we are having power as even number, then answer is in plus. When we are having power as odd number, then answer is in minus. Power in odd, answer in minus. Power even, answer in plus. So whenever we are having base as negative number, base negative number ho and power even number ho, then we get our answer in positive. But when we are having our base as negative and power as odd number, then we get our value or answer as negative. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Now we learn how to find the values. We have done. We will do few more to understand how to find the value. If I am having 3 upon 4 square and question has come, find the value. How to do it? 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Because power is 2, I will multiply it by 2 because here base is 3 by 4 and power is 2. Base is 3 by 4, power is 2. So I will multiply base 2 times. 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 60. Is it okay? If I am having minus 2 upon 5, power 3. So I will have here minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, minus 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125. Okay. So this is our answer. This is the method by which we have to find the value. Now let's start example 1. We'll do laws of exponents in the next class. Example 1. Write the base and exponent of exponent means power. A is 4 cube. So here base is 4, exponent or power is 3. B part 6 power 6, base 6, exponent 6. Exponent and power are same thing, and this is the base, this is the power, this is the base, this is the power. Example 2, we have to express the given expression in powers. One expression is given and we have to write that in power. This is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So we will write 4 by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be our answer. B part 343 upon 729. This is minus. Now how to do it? We'll find prime factors of 343. 7, 7, 7 4s are 28, 6, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49. So we got here minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Now we have to find factors of 729. 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. I got here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got here minus 7 power 3, 3 power 6. I can change it also. I can write it as minus 7 power 3, 9 power 3. Because if I will make pairs of this, I could have 9 into 9 into 9. So I can write it as minus 7 upon 9 cube. Okay. Next, example 3. We have to find the values. Example 3, he says, find the value 2 by 5 power 4. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 5 5s are 25 into 5, 125 into 5, 625. So our answer is 16 upon 625. This was our A part, and B part is minus 3 by 4, 3. So I will write here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 4 into 4 into 4. Power is odd number, so we will write the answer in minus. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and this is our answer. Okay, so today we have learned a new concept, exponents. Exponent means power, wherever we are having base as well as power. Okay, we were doing it in previous classes, but we were not exactly aware what is this. So now we will learn about this. In the next class, we will learn the laws. We are having 7 laws on which all the exponents will work and they will be solved. Okay, till then be friendly with them. Don't get afraid, be friendly with them so that when we'll go in the next class, everything would be very easy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.